Alright everybody, it's time for a motherfucking tool haul. This is a fucking Amazon one. Let's see, where do I start? Don't drink beer and go on Amazon. Because when you start to get fucking drunk, you go crazy. Alright, before we start this though, just want to show everybody what I got here from Klein Tools. And everybody can get it, I believe, if you just go on their Instagram page and sign up. Nothing big, I just wanted to show you guys because I haven't opened it yet. Alright. And that is a sticker. You've got our back, we've got yours. It's American as fuck right there. That's badass. Add that to the sticker collection. Alright, let's get going with this. Break out the Pittsburgh screwdriver right here to open it up. It's quality right here. Alright. And the first thing we got here is... oh shit. This fucking heavy. Astro pneumatic or Astro Tools ball joint service tool with 4-wheel drive adapters. Part number 7865. I've never actually used a ball joint press before. I've always just used an air hammer, and got lucky. Most of the ones I have done have just been bolt-on ones, so this is gonna be cool to try out here soon. Let's open this up and check this out too. Plastic everywhere. Oh, that's open. Alright, cool. It's cool it comes in this little plastic case with a handle in case you need to do some outside work. So better open up the right way. I don't want shit going everywhere. Oh damn, they oiled the hell out of this thing. Which is good, at least it's not rusty. It's got all kinds of adapters for different sizes. Oh shit, damn, these things are slippery. They look pretty good. I don't really see how you could go wrong making one of these things. They're basically just a giant C-clamp. Damn, this thing's stout though. Damn. That actually feels really good quality. And I believe when I looked this up, it says you could use them on impact, which is cool. I guess you would kind of have to, but yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with that. I'm going to try that shit out. Well, let's see what else we got here. SATA Tools, part number 3351, 3/8 drive, 51-piece metric impact socket master set. Whew, fuck, I'm out of breath after saying that shit. It seems like when I do work at home, everything's mostly metric. Or at work, it's kind of both, but more standard. So for home, I went with the metric set for now. And we'll see what we get further down the road. This also comes in a nice blow molded case. And it's locked somewhere on the side too. It's pretty good. So we got 7 through 22 in deep. 7 through 22 in swivels, which I've never owned before. I've actually never owned any swivels before. I've always just used the adapter and a socket, and it's got me by for some years, but I've always wanted these because I feel like there is situations where I could use these more, just that clearance. So that's cool, comes with that. So 7 through 22, and 17 through, no, I'm sorry, 10 through 22 on the standard depth sockets. Oh, no, I'm wrong, 7. So yeah, it looks like they all start at 7 and go up to 22 millimeter. A hex bit adapter. It's pretty cool. So yeah, standard, deep, swivel, a universal joint just for the hell of it, a 3-inch extension, lifetime warranty, and they're pretty much the same shit as the Matco ADVs, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty damn sure. Anyways, they're lifetime warranty, you can't beat them. And I've used Sonex before, they work pretty damn good. What else do we got here? SATA Tools 2-piece indexing pry bar set. So for those of you that don't know, SATA Tools is pretty much part of Apex Tool Group, and it used to share the same logo as Matco at one time. They used to have a little eagle on there, like that silver eagle. See if I can post a picture of that in the video. Part number on this is ST92569. And like I said, company SATA, part of Apex Tool Group. And these are indexing pry bars. Good for pulling out injectors on diesels. And all kinds of other shit you want to do with them, but lifetime warranty. And pretty much the same thing as gear wrench, just a different name. So we'll have to try these out too. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, so the next thing I got here is just a little 6-pack of Turbo Towels, heavy duty cleaning wipes. I've been looking for these since Clay from Coon Trucking is always talking about them. He swears by these things, so I'm like, damn, I gotta give these things a try. Unfortunately, due to the stupid COVID-19 bullshit, nobody has these things in stock anywhere locally, so I had to get a 6-pack on Amazon and wait for them to come in locally. If I like them, I'll buy the big tub. But for now, we're gonna have to compare these to scrubs in a bucket, which my work gave me these to use, and I'm just kind of using this for video reference, but we're gonna have to put them head to head and see how they compete against each other. So we'll do that here soon too. And now, the final piece of the tool haul. The X-Power P230AT air mover. Summertime's coming up and I wanted to be prepared. So, picked one of these up. Where's my Harbor Freight screwdriver? Let's check this thing out. Amazon bullshit. Damn. Love that color. Let's get rid of the box. So I got this because summer's coming up and the shop is not air conditioned. It doesn't get too hot to where I work, but it gets humid as fuck, and I like airflow. I'm an airflow type of person. As long as there's air moving, I'm cool. And I could have gone with the DeWalt 20 volt max cordless fan, which I did think about, but you just can't beat this thing. It's got 800 cubic feet a minute of power to move air, And that's just crazy. So let's try it out. Setting 1. Feels good. 2. Oh shit. And 3. Yeah, that's what I was looking for right there. Damn, it's gonna be nice once it starts warming up. I mean, I'd prefer it didn't warm up, but unfortunately it's gonna come either way. So the cool thing about this thing is it has different little pegs, and you can kind of position it like at a 45, or let's see, on its back straight up in the air if you want to get the air flowing up. Of course flat like I had it, and it's also got 2 outlets on the side. So if you have this thing on your cart, you could also plug in a charger or your phone or whatever else you want to it, and it's not gonna affect its power. You got a little reset right here in case it does blow the little circuit breaker if you load it up too much. But I've seen people have similar ones to these before in the shop back when I worked up in Sacramento, where it got crazy hot in the summertime, and every tech had one on their box except for me, because I come from the beach where it's nice and cool. But it does get humid, so that's gonna be nice. I'm not sure. Oh, this is just a little stand to, I guess, prop it up just a little bit more. Oh, it's also got a little timer on it. So if you could set it, you know, for 60 minutes, you got an hour, and it's going to shut itself off. Just in case you forget and you leave it on, it's going to shut itself off. That's nice. There we go. Nice. I love the color. It's crazy because they had options between green, blue, and red. And the red was like $20 more than this one and the blue one. But the green's fucking badass. I like the way this green looks. So, yeah. There's everything we got. We got some tub of towels. We got some SATA Tools indexing pry bars. Some Sonex impact socket set in metric. And the Astro Tools ball joint set. So yeah, comment, like, share, subscribe, do all that good shit, and we'll come out with some more. Let me know if you want to see any specific reviews on any of these tools. I'd be more than glad to do that. It's kind of fun. Let me know. Talk to you guys later. I forgot to mention, all these things that you saw in the tool haul, I will post a link in the description for each individual item. From there you can check out the prices and purchase them if you like them. Hear that fan in the background? It's working pretty damn good. Thanks again, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.